see what else we got.
Bird.
Bird. Let's do bird. I bet it's be wingy. Uh-oh, Granny did that thing.
Bird.
Oh no, it's the peeper. You like the peeper?
Bird.
Bird. Bird, Kaden. You do the peeper? With your hand in front of your mouth, open and close your pointer finger and thumb twice. Beep, beep. Uh-oh, it went away.
Bird.
No thanks.
Bird.
You like it?
Bird.
Bird. One more time.
Bird.
Yeah. You like the bird one? One more.
Bird.
Bird.
Bird. Bird.
I love it when you... I love everything does. Let's see. Let's find a
Butterfly.
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 You're awesome, Kaden.
Butterfly.
You like the butterfly? I think you like the bird the best.
Cat. Cat.
Ooh, cat. You feeling the whiskers. You have to feel college whiskers.
Cat.
Cat. Yeah. You touch the arrow right there.